Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Microquant here, and today I want to talk about a really nice short we had in the trading room in the Russell, and actually in all of the indices. But the Russell is the main one I want to talk about because we pointed this out as being the weakest market, so therefore the easiest one to short today. What we were looking at here in the Russell, we said it was the weakest market because if you look at all the indices, a lot of the indices are hitting new highs, such as the S&P, jumping up quite a bit, retraced all of and some of this most recent sell-off we had over the past couple of weeks. We were looking at the Russell and we said, okay, look at the momentum. We had very weak momentum. Prices hadn't retraced anywhere near the highs yet. So we said, okay, the Russell out of the indices is the weakest link, basically. So we're saying, all right, we want to be looking for shorts in the Russell. And then what we did is we drilled down and we looked intraday on a 30-minute chart. In the Russell, in the S&P, in the Dow, and the NASDAQ, all of them, we had bearish divergences where we went up overvalued, just about equally high prices. You look at your momentum. Momentum was significantly lower with lower lows and lower highs. Then we also had a hanging man here on our 30-minute price chart. So we said, okay, the Russell's a short from there at 89 with your stop just above the high at 90. So you're risking about $120 a contract, $130 a contract if you took the short. And as of right now, you'd be up about $1,300 a contract or $1,400 a contract. So not a bad trade so far. Now you got to keep in mind, coming up tomorrow, we have non-farm payroll. So the indices could get a little bit choppy. Until then, we could see some more consolidation. We could see them bounce back up. But I'm still pretty bearish in these markets as of right now, unless something changes. We'll see what the reactions are tomorrow at 8:30 when we have non-farm payroll. But until then, for anybody who's holding on to the short in the Russell from this morning, you should be in good shape potentially to hold this overnight. We'll see. Momentum still looks bearish. I would be trailing my stop down behind it if I was in it. So that's all I have for today. I hope it helps. And until next time, happy trading.